Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to ESL classes.
Good morning, students. Today I will teach you subject-verb agreement. This is the third chapter from Fun with Grammar book of Standard 8th. Subject-verb agreement in English grammar simply means that subject of a sentence must agree with its verb in number and person. Suppose if the subject of a sentence is singular, its following verb should also be singular. Either they must be singular or they must be plural. For example, cat dash sitting under the table. Here cat is a singular subject. So the following verb should also be singular. So here the answer will be is. Cat is sitting under the table. As we all know that when we add s and es to singular noun, it becomes plural. But when we add s and es to verb, it becomes singular. For example, drink is a plural verb, and when we add s, it becomes singular. For example, cat drinks milk. Here we see that cat is also a singular noun and drinks is a singular verb, and both are agreeing to each other. In this way, we can say that here the rule of subject, verb and agreement has been followed. With first person and second person, the verb always remains in plural form. Although they are singular in number, but you can say they are rule breakers in each and every language. So it's an exception. Sometimes we get confused that the subject of a sentence is singular or plural, because sometimes they appear to be singular but they function as plural. So today we will see how to determine that the subject of the sentence is singular or plural. Some nouns are singular in form but are used in a plural sense. Example, cattle, poultry, women and people. Whose cattle are they? In the sentence, cattle is a plural noun and the following verb is also plural. Some nouns are used in both sense, singular and plural. For example, advice, alphabet, fork and information. Let's see it in a sentence. Good advice is never followed. Some nouns have the same form for plural as the singular. For example, deer, sheep, 100, dozen. Let's see an example in sentence. 10, 100 make 1000. Some nouns are used only in plural. Example are scissors and spectacles, but when we add a pair of in this, it becomes singular. For example, a pair of scissors is sharp. Some nouns are considered singular but they appear as plural. For example, summons, alms, riches and thanks. Let's see an example. I have received a summons to attend the court. Collective nouns are normally considered singular.